evening, guys. Just wanted to make an update video on my winter pack out. Before I get started, I like to tell people a little bit about myself and where I live, and it kind of gives them a better understanding of why I carry what I do. So I live in Alberta, Canada. I'm mainly a day hiker with the occasional overnighter. Where I live, it's very cold during the winter, and the coldest temperature I've ever been outside in is minus 60 Celsius. That translates to minus 76 Fahrenheit. And this is generally what I carry. Every time I go hiking, I do different activities, so it changes a little bit. So the backpack I'm using is an Obusform Boulder 85 liter. It's a nice big pack, but I can also pack light as well, but it gives me the option of longer and bigger hikes. The only item I have on the outside is this 24-inch buck saw. A lot of people wonder why I carry this kind of saw, but for me, 24-inch buck saw is minimum carry for around here. Gives you lots of options. You carry a little tiny saw, well, you can only cut small firewood. So my first item is my Camillus Bushcrafter. I don't actually carry this in my pack, I carry it on my belt. Kind of forgot about it in one of my last videos. This is a clean canteen. It's I believe it's 48 ounce stainless steel container. This gives me the option of collecting snow or creek water, and if in case I run out of water, I can always refill it. Boil this on top of the fire. I have a small hatchet. A lot of people talk about if they could only carry one item in the wilderness with them. This would be my one item. This is my cook set. It's all full of dried foods, noodles, potatoes, spices, stuff like that. I have some utensils, bandana. This cook set is a large pot and frying pan, and the frying pan doubles as a lid. It's got butterfly handles. This bigger pot has a bail handle, and it goes in this mesh bag. For shelter items, I have a 6 foot by 3 foot ground cover. I have an SOL emergency bivvy. I have some tarp clamps. Just gives you some more options for different tarp setups. And I have an SOL sport utility blanket. 5 by 7 feet. At the bottom of my pack, I have a homemade pot stand. I don't use this too often right now because I have my own wilderness camp with a grill. But basically, you stick these two pegs in the ground and you have an instant pot stand, very quick. So I'll go into my second compartment here. A lot of guys comment about whether it's bushcrafting, hiking, survival gear. I kind of lump all those terms into one. In this plastic bag, I have toilet paper. In this mesh bag, I have stair wire, a couple of hot hands, extra batteries, duct tape, extra lighter, some medication in case I have to spend the night, and a bar of soap. Compass for navigation. Headlamp. Good durable flashlight. This thing apparently you could drop it 30 feet and it still would work. I have a fairly extensive first aid kit. Very important thing to have. And in my last compartment here, I have homemade tinder pouch. I have a little bit of paracord left. Just some regular polyester rope. This isn't paracord, but I got 45 feet of that. I have 92 meters of bank line. In this little zippered pouch, I have 3 lighters. And in this pouch here, I have a roll of electrical tape, ferro rod, and a few nails, just, you know, to make a spear, help with building shelters. So that's my pack out for winter now. It comes in, you know, assuming that I have a little bit more food and water, I'd say it's about 27 pounds, which is not too bad. It's a lot better than it used to be. And if you have any questions on why I carry certain items, just leave a comment below. I'm just trying to speed up this video. I have another one that's, you know, 26 minutes long and I go through every single item, so I'm just trying to speed things up. So thanks for watching.